Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Loka Seva Gurukulam online classes. Now we are in the business world. Selling and buying comes in the business field. They are very famous items. One more is profit, what you call. And naturally when profit is there, there will be loss also sometimes. So this is a very interesting branch, and especially those who are interested in the marketing or business field, they will understand easily. So let us just recall what you have studied in this chapter. We know the formula for simple interest. What is the formula? Simple interest is calculated on the basis of principal P, time T, rate of interest R. PTR by 100. Come on, tell 5 times. Okay. PTR by 100, where P is principal, T is time, R is rate of interest. And also we have seen amount is equal to principal plus interest. In a bank, if you deposit some amount, that is called principal. After 1 year, the interest will be added to it. Then you get what is called as amount. You can see in the passbook. I think all of you open deposits, no, in bank. So once in a month you can check. There will be increase in the money what you have deposited. How it happened? That is because of addition of interest. Similarly, compound interest. Amount is given by the formula A equals P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. P is principal, R is rate of interest, N is number of years, or I say time. That is the formula. And in that formula, if you want CI, CI is nothing but A minus P, amount minus principal. That is compound interest. This already I have seen in the earlier classes. Also we have seen calculation of interest. And the interest is calculated yearly, half yearly, monthly. And one more is there, quarterly also. So for yearly, just you multiply by the year as you are using this formula. Half yearly means you must take half of the rate. Suppose 4% is there, you must take 2%, like that. And quarterly means 1 by 4th you must take. Monthly means 1 by 12th of that. Okay, that is how it is done. That also you have seen in the previous class. And also in a business of selling and buying and all. For example, if you are buying a scooter or a refrigerator or any costly items, you cannot pay the amount fully. Suppose if you have got sufficient funds with you, you can give cash. Suppose scooter cost is about 70 to 80,000, 70,000 for example. You can give all that in cash. That is called cash price. But in some of the cases, they cannot, give the full amount. What they do is, they give some advance. That is what is called as cash down payment. For example, 70,000 is the cost of the scooter. They give say 20,000. What about the remaining? Remaining will be paid monthly once, in installment basis. So then what is the advantage for the seller? He will get interest. What is the advantage for the buyer? For buyer, he can pay it in installment. For that he can settle the amounts necessary. That is the advantage for the buyer. So then he uses what is called as installments, maybe monthly installment, usually monthly installment. There will be agreement between the seller and the buyer, and naturally there will be interest also. So the seller will get both principal plus interest together you will get. Okay, that also you have seen in the previous class. And also we have worked out some problems on this on the basis of installment plan. Okay, now we will come to home assignment. I hope all of you have done it, right? Let us just revise once. So a table is there. The cost of the table is 2000 rupees. So you can buy the table by giving cash 2000, or for rupees 600 as cash down payment. That is called advance, something like advance, 600 rupees. Now how much remains now? That remains how much? 1400 remains, is it not? So 1400 remains, he has to give. But the buyer will say, I will pay the amount 1500 in after 2 months. Okay, so for that there will be interest calculation. This is a principal plus interest, 1400 into rate of interest. Let the rate of interest be R%. Let the rate of interest is equal to R%. It is calculated in percent. Cent means what? 100. So for 100 is so much. So this is what is called principal plus interest. That is PTR by 100. So PTR, P is 1400, T is 2 months, R by 100. So by 100 means 0 0 cancels, 2 ones are 2 6 are. That 6 is in the denominator. So we must multiply it here. 1406 plus 14 into R is equal to 1506. What you have done? Multiplied the whole thing by 6. So this is 1406, that is 8400. Bring the other side. Okay, and this 14R is equal to 9000 minus 8400. So that is 600. R is equal to 600 by 14. 14 4s are 56. 40. 14 2s are 28. 12 remains. 120. 14 8s are 112. Something it comes, you can leave it approximately 42.8%. So interest paid is rate of interest 42.8%. Okay, let's solve the problem. So advance cash down is 600. He said that I will give after 2 months. For that, interest will be calculated. This is how you do it, and this is how you get it. Okay, come on, let us go to next sum. Next problem. An air conditioner is sold for 20,000 cash. So cash of the air conditioner 20,000. Cash down is 12,000. How much remains? No, we will find out interest. So he says after giving cash down for the monthly installment of 2,200. So 2,400 into 4, how much it comes? 8,800. So 20,000 you can give cash and buy it. Air condition means what? AC, what you call. Okay. So in that 20,000, 12,000 is given cash, remaining is given in 4 installments of 2,200. So if you add these two, how much you get? 20,800. So what is the rate? What is the interest you get? Actually you have to give 20,000. So here you are giving 20,800. Interest will be 800 rupees. Correct? So noted down? Okay. So interest paid is 800 rupees. How we got 800? 8,000, 20,000, 22,000. 2,200 into 4, 8,800. 8,800 and advance given is 12,000. Totally it become 28,800 minus totally it became 20,800. Twelve plus 8, 20 minus 20,000 is equal to 800. So 800 rupees is the interest. So what is the principal for first month? 20,000 minus cash down, that is 8,000. Principal for second month, please note down, this 8,000 minus 2,200. Every month he is giving 2,200. So if you subtract, you get 0, 0. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5,800. Again 2,200. Third month. Subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Again fourth month, 3,600 minus 2,200. You get 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 2. I think you have done it, no? Add all this. That will be principal. So how much? 8,000 plus 5,800 plus 3,600 plus 1,400. That is the advantage in installment buying. For the seller also advantage, for buyer also. That is why it is called business. 10, 18, 2, 5, 10, 18, 18,800. 18,800 is the principal. Noted? So interest was 800, amount will be 18,800. Use this and find the rate of interest. I think all of you have done it, right? So principal is 18,800, monthly 1 by 12, interest is 800. Find the rate of interest. So what is the formula? PTR by 100. P is I is equal to PTR by 100. I is given to be how much? 800. P is 18,800. T is 1 by 12. R we don't know. By 100. So 0, 0 cancels. Right? So 12, you can say 4 3s are 4 4s are 16. 4 sevens are. So bring this 3 here. So 47R is equal to 2400. R is equal to 2400 by 47. How much it comes? If we divide 2400 by 47, it will be 24 not going, 5 sevens are 35, 20 plus 3, 50, ones are, that is 47, and 3 remains, 0, 30 it won't go, write 0. Then you make 300. For 300 you can say around 7 approximately. So 7 sevens are 49, 7 fours are 28 plus 4, 32, not 7, 6 it comes. Six sevens are 42, 6 fours are 24 plus 4, 28. That's all. So 51.06%. That is the answer. Got it? That is approximate, still it is there. Approximately it is like this. R is equal to how much? That is the answer. Have you done it? You understood? Okay. So this is the 4 marks question. You must be ready for that type of questions. Okay. Now we will see today's topic. Amount of installment. In the previous problem you have seen rate of interest. Today you have to see amount of installment. As usual, a ceiling fan is there. The price marked is 1940. That is cash, what you call cash price. So cash price is given to be 1940. You can give the cash, or you can give cash down 420. So on the spot you can give 420. Remaining amount in 3 installments, equal installments. But here the rate of installment will be given, but not the amount of installment. That we call it as X. So cash price 1940. Each installment be X rupees, maybe 100 or 200 or whatever it is. Cash down payment is 420 on the spot you are giving. So amount paid in installment 420, cash already given, plus they said that there will be 3 equal installments. One installment is X, so 3 into X, 3X. So 420 plus 3X. So that will be the amount. And now you are asked to find a rate of interest is given 60%. Using that you have to find the monthly installment, namely X. Okay. Shall we do that? Taken down? Okay, be fast. Now interest paid. How to find interest? Amount minus principal. So this is the principal, this is the amount. But here why is X has come? Because you don't know monthly installment. So this is the amount minus principal. This is the cash price. This is installment. So you have, if you have 3x first minus, if you subtract this from this, you get 1520. Buyer owes to seller for the first month 1520. Is it not? How do you get that? That is 1940 is the cash price, out of which he gives a cash down is so much. So you have 1520. So buyer owes to seller for the first month 1520. Then for second month 1520 he has to give the first month. Second month will be minus X. What is X? Monthly installment. For the third month 1520 minus X plus X, 2X. So total principal will be, see, or add all this 1, 2, 3 times. That becomes 1520 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. That's how you got it. And X and 2X you add it, you get 3X. So principal for 1 month is 4560 minus 3X. Using this, you have to find the interest. The rate of interest is given to be 16%. So 3X minus 1520 is equal to, this is the principal, this is the time, this is the rate of interest. Rate of interest, this is time. Okay. And if you simplify, here 4 4s are 4 25s are. Okay. And 4 1s are 4 3s are. Here which is common? 3 can be taken common. 3 1s are 3 15s are. Minus X. So this 3 and that 3 will cancel. You get this 1520 minus X. And this is 25. This 25 here denominator will come up. Okay. So 25 into 3X minus 1520 is equal to this 1520 minus X. Now you have to find the value of X. So multiply. You get, please note down. Any doubt is there? You can ask. 25 2s are 50. 125 plus 5, 130. 25 1s are 25 plus 13. 38, right? 50, 125 plus 5, 130. 25 1s are 25 plus 13. 38 is equal to 1520 minus X. Bring this side, you get 75X plus X is equal to 1520 plus, it becomes, bring this side, plus 38,000. It will be equal to 76X is equal to, so 75X plus X minus X come this side, plus X 1520, this minus come this side, 38,000. Be careful about zeros. So here 76X is equal to, add these two, if you add you get 39,520. And X is equal to 39,520 by 76. That will be equal to 520. So monthly installment is 520. Okay. And if the monthly installment is 520, then you can verify it if you want here. So 3x means 3 into this 520 minus 1520. We just verify that, okay, and therefore this is the answer. Noted? Very nice. We'll pass on to next question. Computer is available. How many know operating computer? Nowadays it is a must, no? Use laptops, tabs, and so many other things are there, computers. So it is a computer which has 34,000 each. So cash price is 34,000. You can buy that computer by giving cash or 20,000 cash down. Cash down is 20,000. Together with 5 equal installments. The monthly installment amount is not known. So balance to be paid in 5 installment is, subtract these two, you get 14,000, correct? 13,000 minus 20,000 is 14,000. Each installment be X, we don't know that. If the rate of interest charged under the installment plan is 30%, see the interest. Nowadays, Sarvam Lakshmi Mayam Jagat. Money have become a very order of the day. But please note, don't hanker for money only. Money comes and goes. Morality comes and grows, says Baba. So morality is important. So you should earn money in a legal way, just way, not in an injustice way, right? So interest charged under installment plan is, so there are 5 installment they said, each installment is X, so it becomes 5X minus this is already paid, so this is to be paid, so 5X minus 14,000 is to be paid. Noted? Okay. Now the buyer owes to seller, and for the first month 14,000. After giving cash down, 14,000 he has to pay. Second month 14,000 minus X. Why you have taken X? The installment amount is not known. Third month 14,000 minus 2X. Fourth month 14,000 minus 3X. 15th month 14,000. Fifth month 14,000 minus 4X. Okay. So add all this. How many times 14,000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 into 5, how much? 70,000. Then X how much? 1, 3, 6, 10. 70,000 minus 10x. So what you have done? We added all this. This becomes a principal. P into T 1 by 12 into R. R is 30%. Here we were given. So what is this 5x minus 14,000? That is interest. So interest is equal to I is equal to, note down, this is principal, this is time, you can call T, and this is rate of interest, PTR by 100. Why you are taking 100? Rate of interest is calculated in terms of hundreds, right? Percent. Percent means per 100. So interest is equal to PTR by 100. And interest is 5x minus 14,000. In this you can take common outside 5. If you take outside 5 into x minus 14,000 by 5 become 2,800. Is equal, here you can take 10 outside common. So 10 if you take, you get 7,000 minus x into 1 by 12 into 30 by 100. So 0 0 cancels, 3 1s are 3 4s are, 4 into 10 is 40. So 10 and 40 cancels, 4 here. So bring that 4 this side. 5 4s are 20. X minus 2800, 7000 minus x. So you get 20x minus 20 into 2800, 56,000 is equal to 7000. This is minus x. Is it clear? Clear? So bring all the x on one side. 20x plus x it becomes. Minus when you come this side become plus x. Like terms one side. 20x plus x is equal to 7000 is there. Minus 50,000 bring the right side. So 56 plus 7, 63,000. So x is equal to 63,000 by 21. That is equal to 3 za. So monthly installment is equal to 3000. And if you apply it here, you will get the answer. So monthly installment is equal to 3000 rupees. Amount of each installment rupees 3000. Okay. So better use work out once again and check, get the answer. Okay. So shall we move on to the home assignment? Before that, let us see what Baba says. Love all. All means not only human beings, animals also, birds also, plants also. Love all. Serve all. Wherever possible, go on doing service, right? And in India, there are a lot of chances for serving. So we must do service for others. Help ever, hurt never. The whole essence of 18 Puranas told by Vedavyasa. Paropakaraya punyaya papaya parapidanam. In simple terms, we call it as help ever, hurt never. Even if you don't help others, no problem. You should not hurt others. So before that, one home assignment, you just see a scooter is available for rupees 30,000 cash or 15,000 cash down payment in 4 equal monthly installment. The rate of interest charged is the installment plan is 33 1/3%. See how much high it is. Find the amount of each installment. Just on the 2 problems what you worked out. You do it. Come prepared for that. Thank you.